It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today because I'm sharing with you our Christmas decorations, our Christmas decor. So this is our Christmas decor tour, and I've never really done one of these before except for on the blog. I've never done a video, so I'm really excited. I've actually filmed this is my third time, and I finally gave the camera over to Matt because I did it twice and it didn't turn out so good. So that's why the delay. But I'm really excited to share with you all of our decorations. We've got 3 trees. This one behind me is my favorite. I think it's just so pretty. I love the red and white. So let's jump in and I'm going to show you the rest of the decorations in the house. First up, I'm going to show you the family room, and I love it so much. I love the red and white theme. It's old-fashioned, classic Christmas. It's our most used room of the house, and so it makes sense that our favorite tree of the house is in there. I love the old-fashioned ornaments on there, on the tree with the berries and the flocked tree. It's just so beautiful. One of my favorite ways to make a space festive is by adding some wreaths on the window, so just add a command hook and a wreath, and you're good to go. The mantle is the same as last year. I did add a felt ball garland, and I think it just really added an extra little touch of cozy. And then the wreath over the fireplace is new this year as well.
Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance.
We keep things pretty simple in the kitchen, but I love this Believe sign, my Noel wreath, and then my Trader Joe Christmas trees. They're just cute. It's on our ledge right looking over the back. And then cute little coffee tray and my wreath over my stove, of course. For the dining room, more wreaths in the windows. I'm telling you, y'all, it's like my cozy sign. I don't know, but my dining room table is just really festive and cute. And there's different napkins here because I'm testing out to figure out which one that I want. But the centerpiece is the same from last year, except for this year I threw in some Christmas ornaments in there as well. For my place setting, the greenery under the charger is actually a placemat. I think it's just so cool. And then the charger, so the placemat, charger, and then the salad plate, the Santa salad plate are all from Pier 1 along with my goblets. I'm going to link it all on my blog for you. But I just love the way it turned out.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I got you on my mind.
When we bought our new house, one of the first Christmas purchases we bought was actually this garland, and I love it so much. It just really cozies up the entire center of the home.
Merry Christmas, yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas.
Moving right along to the formal living room, we have our big tree, our big front window tree, and I love it. It's the family tree. It's the tree that has all of the ornaments that mean something to us. Our first Merry Christmas ornaments there, and every ornament for every Christmas that we've been together is on there, including our New Orleans ornaments, which is the St. Charles streetcar. I love it so much. And then also Vancouver ornaments and just all that good stuff.
All I really want, I'm dreaming you.
I love the mantle so much. This is actually the exact mantle we had at our other house, and we just moved it to this house, and I just love it. This year I added the yarn ball garland, and it just added an extra little touch of cozy to that garland as well. I love adding pillows for the holidays. I have more pillows than Home Goods, guys, but I just feel like it just adds an extra element to the room. I love them.
Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance.
And the last room of the house is our bedroom, and I love this little tree. My mom put it together a couple years ago for us, and it just matches our decor so well. It's just so pretty.
On my mind. Merry Christmas.
All right, so that is it. That's our Christmas home decor tour. I hope that's a tongue twister, home decor tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked our decorations. Maybe you got a little inspiration for your own house. The Lanter house at Christmas is super festive and fun and cozy, and I love it. I love it all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please visit me on my blog, angelalanter.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Au revoir. Merry Christmas.